detested it. Right down to the ride up there. Counting Denny's signs and cars broke down, the fake Aztec look of the suburbs. It reminded her of thin, see-through curtains and chipped, rotten tiles and the smoky, dead smell of motel rooms. And why she left them for good, she thought at that time, all the busted up plates and the stacks of ripped pictures, her good dresses shoved in the trash can, how he called her again and again till she finally picked up his voice in one small oozing plea. And the only thing worse than that dry separation was being with him now on this hot vinyl seat on another long ride to his mother's.